Welcome. In this video I will show you how to mute microphone on Lenovo V15. The fastest way to do this is by pressing the F4 function key. As you can see, when your microphone is muted, the icon turns, you see this icon, and when it's unmuted, you see this one icon. And now if F4 doesn't do anything for you, then you just have to press F1 button and escape button combination of keys at the same time, and make sure that you see this icon on the screen. That means that your function keys are unlocked now and you can use for their purposes, basically. Now the second way to mute and unmute your microphone is by going to Start, then Settings. Then in Settings, open either System or Bluetooth and Devices. If you go to System, then go to Sound, and then select Input, find Input section, go to your microphone array or any microphone that you use on this computer, and then click Don't Allow to disable your microphone. Once you click Allow once again, you will unmute your microphone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.